Good day everyone, I am Frizella Bilabao. I'm Risk Criminology 3rd year Bravo. So today, I'm going to name the parts of this car and its function. So first, there are windshield. So windshield is a barrier to protect the interior. Next is the wiper. Wiper is to wipe the windshield or to clean if there's a dust or a water. Next is the hood. Hood is a cover or to protect the engine inside. So next is the license plate. A license plate is to identify a car. Next is a headlight. Headlight, it gives a light, especially when it's dark. Next is indicator light. It gives a signal light when you turn. So next is the side mirror. The side mirror, it helps the driver to calculate the distance between his or her car. Next is a car handle. A car handle is to opening or pulling the door. So next is the steering wheel. Steering wheel is to control the direction of the vehicle. So this is the gear. A gear is a function to transmit a rotation of movement from one part to another. So next is a clutch. A clutch connects and disconnects the power from your engine to your wheels. So next is a brake. A brake is used for slowing or stopping a moving vehicle. So next is a accelerator. Accelerator or pedal that controls the flow of gasoline to the engine. So next is tail light. Tail light is it gives a warning when we're going to stop.